Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll quickly learn how to connect to OpenAI API using Python. I'll show you how to set up things and make your first API call. It's going to be a quick video. This is used to access environmental variables for security purposes. It allows you to retrieve sensitive information like API keys without hard coding them into your script. This is the main library that connects to OpenAI's API, allowing you to send prompts and get responses from models like GPT 3.5 Turbo. Helps load environmental variables from a .env file. This is useful for keeping secrets like API keys outside of your code. Formats long text into shorter, readable lines with a fixed width. Like you're going to change the width of characters, so you could put 20 characters per line or 50 characters per line. We'll use this later. This improves the readability of long responses. Loads a .env file and makes the environment variables available to the script. Retrieves the OpenAI API key stored as environmental variable. This creates an OpenAI client instance using the API key. The client object will be used to send requests to OpenAI's API and get responses. This is the OpenAI client object we created earlier. It's your connection to OpenAI's API. Think of it as the middleman that lets you communicate with OpenAI services. Chat refers to chat completion's endpoint in OpenAI's API. This endpoint is specifically designed for models like GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4, which are built for conversational tasks. Completions represent completion services for chat-based tasks. A completion in this context means generating a response based on a given prompt. Create is a method or function provided by completion's object. It sends a request to OpenAI services to create completion, meaning it generates a response using the specified model and parameters. The create method sends a request to OpenAI using the following parameters. Model specifies a model to use for generating the response. Messages represent a structured conversation with a list of messages. Role identify who is speaking, in this case, user, content, the actual message text. The response is stored in the variable response as a structured object containing the AI's generated answer. This navigates the response object to get the first response, choices index 0, and extracts its contents, message.content. This is the actual answer generated by OpenAI. We're going to take that message, strip it, and assign it to this object. TextWrap.fill is a function that formats long strings into a neatly wrapped lines of specified width. Sends the formatted string with neatly wrapped lines back to the caller. Now we will call the function with a message in the parameter to finally get a response from ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.